Sticking a tiny square on your arm and calling it a health routine sounds like a scene from a futuristic movie. You just peel off a backing. You press it against your skin. Then you just go about your day. No water required. No giant capsules to choke down. Most of us have a cabinet full of half-used vitamin bottles. We start with great intentions. Then the ritual of swallowing pills eventually feels like a chore. This is exactly where the wearable wellness trend finds its footing. Kind Patches is currently making a lot of noise. Its approach to daily support is incredibly simple. These are small, discrete patches. They are designed to help with everything from your energy levels to your mood. They even target those pesky afternoon cravings. The whole idea is built on pure convenience. It is for the person who wants the benefits of supplements without the actual act of taking them. The brand emphasizes a very gentle philosophy. They avoid harsh chemicals entirely. You will not find any parabens in these products. They also skip the synthetic fragrances. It feels more like a wellness brand for people who are tired of the intense clinical side of the health industry. They lean heavily into ethical manufacturing too. They remain cruelty-free. They use minimal recyclable packaging. For anyone trying to reduce their footprint, that is a big win. But the burning question is always about the actual results. Does a sticker really change how you feel? When you dig into the user experiences, you find a wide range of stories. Some people swear by the mood support options. They describe a sense of balance and focus. This often kicks in during a hectic workday. It is not like a caffeine jolt. It is described as more of a steady underlying calm. Others focus on the skin benefits from the wellness-specific patches. They report seeing a noticeable glow after a few weeks. Consistency seems to be the key here. However, it is important to be realistic. This is not a miracle cure. It will not work for every single person. Some users reported that they did not feel a drastic shift in their appetite. Wellness is deeply personal. What works for one person might do nothing for another. One surprising highlight is the company itself. In a world of shady online subscriptions, they seem to be an exception. People frequently mention how helpful the support team is. If a product does not work out, getting a refund is a smooth process. That builds a lot of trust for a first-time buyer. There are some minor complaints about shipping delays. Tracking numbers sometimes take a while to update. But if you can look past the logistics, the product offers a fascinating alternative. It is a non-invasive experiment in self-care. You are letting natural ingredients absorb gradually. This happens through your skin over several hours. This avoids the sudden spikes and crashes of other methods. It is about finding a rhythm that fits your life. If you're curious about a natural way to boost your well-being, this is a modern solution. It is a simple tool for a complicated world. You just have to decide if a sticker is the right fit for your own daily goals.